Hi, my name is Sarah, and I'm going to walk you through some of the features of my new app, Music Notes. You'll notice when it starts that we have a schedule of events that are occurring throughout the week. If you tab on a particular event, it'll take you to the singing order for that event. And if the quartets have submitted their information to BHS, then that information will be displayed here as well, like their names and where they're from. For each quartet, you can enter the song that they sang and also their scores. So let's see how that works. Here we have a selection of songs to choose from. Also, if when you're scoring you don't like to use the music presentation and singing scores, you have another option. You can go up to options here and hit toggle scoring method. This will let you score with single scores, which you notice now here there's just one box. So you can just give whatever score you want on whatever scale you want. You can also put notes in here and then hit next and go to the next quartet who will be performing. I'm going to go back to the other scoring method. Also, when you have entered scores for a quartet, this little check mark will appear so that if you come back from an intermission or a break, it's very easy to see what the last quartet that you scored was and go to the next one on the list. For these, you see I've been using the 3-score method for each song. And you'll notice that I can go to scores here and actually see the scores that I've entered. It'll calculate the averages, and then these columns can be sorted. And then so you can see how a particular quartet performed in each different round. Additionally, you can decide to display quartet member names or not. I'll show you what that means right here. Instead of actually seeing the names of the members of these quartets, we just have this concise mode, just if you want to see more quartets on the screen at once. However, regardless, the quartet information will still be on the screen. Finally, another nice feature that I'm really pleased with is if you go down to the end of events, like the session 2 of the quarterfinals or the semifinals, we have this button to set the singing order for the next round. And so you can actually fill this in with quartets and it will auto-complete. Then so as the quartets are announced at the end of the night, you can fill in these, and then automatically these quartets will be populated in the next event. So these are the quartets that I just filled in there previously. So that's about it. Oh, one other feature. I have a brightness toggle, which I won't test right here on the camera because it'll make the camera get all washed out. But one other thing is the ability to take notes on non-contest performances. So like for the Larry Ager show, you can create a new performer and then like choose who's performing, pick the songs that they sing, and then add a song as necessary. So you have as many songs as they perform. So that doesn't have any scores, obviously, but that's just nice to be able to keep track of it if you want to have a record of who performed at which events. I think that's about it. I hope this app is helpful to people.